guys, this is Tamanna and today I'm going to be talking about Jaquline USA's Matty Matte Lip Crayons which come in a pack of 3. Before we proceed with features and swatches, I would like to show you how you are supposed to use the product. Start lining your natural lip shape with the lip crayon itself. To be honest, you don't require a separate lip liner because the lip crayon has a beautiful formulation that won't bleed out on your lips and it will stay put and hydrated throughout the day. Next, start filling the lip with the lip crayon as shown in the video, and that's all. That's how you get a perfect pouty lip. The lip product stays on your lips throughout the day without drying and cracking your lips, and that is because of the magical formulation of the product. It has a soft matte formulation which doesn't dry out your lips, and the main ingredient, the hero ingredient that is infused in the product is vitamin E, which is a nourishing agent. If we talk about the price of the product, each lip crayon is priced at Rs 299, which is really affordable. If we talk about the shades of this trio pack, you get 3 different shades which belong to different color families which will suit Indian skin tones very beautifully. Talking about the first shade, which is my most favorite out of these 3, it is Sweetie Pie. It is a deep tone nude shade which looks very beautiful on screen as you can see, and this will flatter all Indian skin tones very beautifully. The second shade is a very bright pink color which looks very flattering on me honestly, and I think it will flatter fair to medium skin tones. Lastly, we have Bold Babe, which is a deep plum color. It is a very bold and elegant shade which will flatter Indian skin tones very beautifully. Another feature I would like to highlight about the product is that it is easily removable too. You just need a cotton pad or a reusable pad and some micellar water and you can wipe off the product very easily as shown in the video. I would highly recommend you to get your hands on the Jaquline USA's Matty Matte Lip Crayon Trio Pack because all the 3 shades are beautiful, they are very affordable, very long lasting, and they are travel friendly too because you can easily carry them with you wherever you go. Moreover, I personally think you won't even require to touch up the lipstick because it has an intense color payoff, and since they are so highly pigmented, you won't even require to reapply the lipstick. And yeah, that was all for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching it. Bye!